So as you can see, we're going to see the switches. Okay, so the switches or the Mosfets, always you will find near to the power jack or the power jack connector two switches or in sometimes one switch. Okay, this switches is the gate of power in every motherboard. Okay, so among the common fault in the laptop motherboard is bad Mosfets or bad switches. Okay, so as you can see for this motherboard, for example, this is the power jack. As you can see, this is the first switch or MOSFET, the second switch, as you can see. Okay, and here we have the fuse. Okay, we called it switch because it deals like a switch. Okay, it let the power pass or block the power to the whole motherboard. That's why we called it a switch. Okay, so if there is a problem or if this switch is damaged, the power will not get into the motherboard and you will get a dead motherboard. Okay, that's why you should always check the switches near to the power jack if you get a bad motherboard. Okay, as you can see also in this motherboard here, this is the power jack connector. Okay, it is connected to the motherboard via a cable. Here we have the first switch or MOSFET and the second MOSFET. Okay, so these two MOSFETs let the 19 volt to pass to other circuit in the motherboard. As you can see here, we have points. These points means the 19 volt will go to 7 place in the motherboard because we have here 7 point means 7 place or 7 circuit. So as I told you, in every motherboard you will find after the power connector or the power jack one MOSFET or two MOSFETs. That is like a bridge or like a switch. Here as you can see in this motherboard, this is another MOSFET here with 3 terminals as you can see. Okay, so this is a switch. For this motherboard, just one MOSFET. Okay, for those MOSFET as you can see, those are for the 3 volt and 5 volt power system. Okay, these 4 MOSFETs, 2 for to generate 3.3 volt and other 2 to generate the 5 volt. Okay.